Hi, this is Volkswagen Polo. It is under manual transmission. This is power on. We have digital dashboard for calling, FM, audio, radio, and calling. This is audio system and AC system, automatic, cycle, AC on off. We have charging port. This is gear control. This is manual. I have handbrake here. This is a cupboard for holding items and mobile wallet. These are AC vents. Light. We have dual airbags here and here. We have holding space here. Also a chilling unit for water cooling. These are media controls. These are calling controls. This is for cruise control and lighting control. This is for steering control. You can adjust the steering. This is speedometer, digital, analog, and this is for bonnet opening. These are windows controls, and this is for mirror control. This is locking and unlocking. This is rear side. We have seat belts. This is rear AC vent. Here also we have a charging port and a bottle holder. This is the back space. We have first aid kit. This is body cover. This is tools. This is Stephanie. This is backside dashboard. Also a chilling unit for water cooling. These are media controls. These are calling controls. Lighting control. This is for This is for steering control. You can adjust. This is kitchen. You can lock here. Double. If we hold, automatically doors will be locked. Lock. Press again this one.